In this video, we are going to see how we are going to create and use virtual environments using the VENV module. This is a built-in module, so you don't have to install or add additional packages. Using virtual environment, we can keep the projects organized by keeping the dependencies and packages separately and independent of each other. This is really helpful when you manage multiple projects. A quick example is, let's say, when you have two projects, one is machine learning and another one is web scraping, then it makes sense to keep the dependencies of these two projects independent to each other. Let's see how it's done. Let's create two folders for the two projects. One is machine learning, another one is web scraping. You need to have at least Python 3.3 to use the VNV module. Syntax to create the virtual environment Python-m venv and then the virtual environment name. I'm using venv1 for machine learning project. And similarly, let's create another virtual environment for the web scraping project. This will take some time to create these environments. Now it's done. Inside the scripts folder, there's an activate script. This is how you activate the virtual environment. The virtual environment name will be there in the brackets. And similarly for VNV2. To list all the packages installed in the environment, we use the command pip list. Since these are brand new virtual environment, you see the same dependencies. Let's install NumPy, which we use in our ML projects. Let's install request library, which is most often used in the web scraping projects. Let's do pip list. You can see NumPy is there in the first environment and request there in the second one. So this way you can independently manage the dependencies within their own virtual environments. And finally, to come out of the virtual environment, you have to deactivate it using the command deactivate. You simply type in deactivate. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for more such videos.